setting up a web server, and configuring a port number on Windows. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. What is web server? Web server is a software that hosts and servers websites or web applications over the internet. Its primary jobs is to deliver web pages to users when request them through a web browser. When you type URL into a browser, it sends a request to web server, which then processes that request and sends back the appropriate content such as HTML, CSS, JavaScript, image, etc. Key functions of web server: accept request, process request, server content, manage data, open control panel and go to programs. Click turn Windows features on or off. Check the box for Internet Information Services, IIS, and Internet Information Services Hostable Web Core. Click OK to install IIS. This process may take a few minutes. Click on Don't Restart. Go to IIS Manager and run as administrator in the IIS Manager. You'll see the default site listed under the Connections or Site panel. You can create a new site or configure the default one. Type CMD and press Enter to open the command prompt. In the command prompt window, type ipconfig. Look for the IPv4 address. It will show your local IP address. Copy the IP address. Open a web browser. Paste the IP address. If the server is set up correctly, you should see IIS default page. Open a web browser. Search for free website templates. Click any template and click on Download. Click on the download icon. Click on Folder, it will redirect to respective folder. Select the download file and click on Extract. It will extract the folder. Copy the folder. Go to Local Disk C and go to inetpub folder and click on www-root folder, paste the extracted folder. Open IIS Manager. IIS Manager, you'll see the default site listed under the Connections or Site panel. Right-click on Sites in the left panel and choose Add Website. In the Add Website window, provide a site name, physical path, where your website files are located, example, c://init/www/site name, and binding, choose the IP address, port number. Click OK to create the new site. Open Windows Firewall with Advanced Security. In the Inbound Rules section, click New Rule. Choose Port and click Next. Select TCP and specify the port number. Click Next, allow the connection, and complete the rule setup. Open a web browser and type IP address your_port_number. If the server is set up correctly, you should see your website or IIS default page. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and like for more content.